Okay, good evening, brother.
Yeah, a very good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. Yeah. So, as we are
O-
meeting for the first time, shall we introduce ourselves? Shall we start our conversation introduction?
Okay, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. Also, I'm doing part-time job. Yeah, that's all about me. So, what about you?
And coming to me, my name is Vishal Moite, born and brought up in Hyderabad. And coming to my education qualification, I have did my education in BCom Computer Application, and after that, I enrolled myself in MBA. So I am currently pursuing my masters in a specialization of HR. And coming to my hobbies are playing cricket and listening to music. This is all about me in nutshell.
Okay, that's really nice. You explain about yourself very nicely.
Thank you.
Okay, so you are from Hyderabad.
Yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, this is first time I'm talking with a friend from Hyderabad. I'm talking with so many person from West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
this is first time I'm talking from Hyderabad.
I'm also
So,
I'm talking with Bangladeshi. Uh,
the,
I had lots of conversation, but within India. But you are the one person I'm talking from other.
oh my God, I am the first person you talking with me from Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay, actually, I talked so many person from India, and if I talk their numbers, maybe 10 or 12 person from
Wow.
India.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yes.
So, what types of countries people did you talk to before?
So they are like coloners. So I speak with them.
Coloners. Okay.
Yes.
Is there any country? Is there any country? Did you talk?
No, no. I had conversation within the India itself. You are the first guy I'm talking with, like another country.
Okay. So, did you have you come in Bangladesh?
No, no. I never visited Bangladesh. I never
Okay.
been to Bangladesh. Do you ever visited India?
No, no, I never been to India.
Okay.
Have you ever visited out of your country? Any country?
I didn't visit at any other country apart from India. No.
Okay. So, have you visited whole state of India?
No, I've been like Maharashtra and Karnataka. Two states I've been apart from Hyderabad. Apart from these two states, I haven't went another states. So I have in my bucket list like Mumbai and Delhi and UP. I want to visit.
Okay. Don't you want to visit Kashmir?
Kashmir, yeah, all over India I want to visit. But I will like to start with Delhi and north place I want to visit. After that, I will visit every state in India. Firstly, after that, other country I like to visit, like foreign countries. After completion of India, I like traveling.
Okay, I'm also like traveling, and when I finished all places of my country, then I will visit out of my country. And first, I want to visit Kashmir, and Kashmir is very beautiful.
Yeah, I listen a lot about Kashmir. Yeah, that is also there in my bucket list. I will surely visit one day. That is one of the best place. Like so much greenery, and there are lots of places to watch to visit in Kashmir.
Yes, you are right. So, as you said, now you are doing your masters. Do you have any job without studying?
No, no, I am not doing any job. I am a student. After completion of this course, I want to work. Like there will be some placement in my campus, so I will crack the interview and I will land in good company. So that is my dream to work as a HR.
Okay. So do you have any dream job that
Dream
you
job,
will want
yeah.
to do in future?
Future, yeah. I'm pursuing my MBA in HR specialization, so I would like to see myself as a HR in a good MNC company, and after that, I would like to grow in that company as well. Like HR manager, I want to become, like gaining more
Okay.
knowledge, yeah, in that company itself.
Okay, understand. So if I talk about our speaking English, when did you start to learning this language?
It's been 1.5 years. I started with listening and like reading. So this both aspects are input, and coming to speaking, it's been 2 months. I had conversation with one YouTuber. She added me on this group. So after that, I started speaking. Coming apart from listening and reading, it's been 1.5 years, and coming to speaking, so it's been 2 months. So I am regret that if I could know about this app. So when I started listening and speaking, at that time only if I started speaking, so it could be better to me. Today I must be have a good speaker in this language. So that is the drawback. I lack of.
Okay, so you started speak 2 months ago. So now you speak very well. So as you said, you didn't take any course to learn this language. You just listening and reading.
Yes, listening, reading, and 1.5 months or 1 month happened to me. I am just writing. So what I'm writing is how did I spend my day, and taking any general topic and just generalizing that in my book. I kept one diary.
Okay.
So whatever new words I get introduced, I'm just writing that word. So that is how my practice looks. So yes.
Okay. So what's your suggestion for beginners who want to learn this language?
So coming to me, I'm not a professional. Just according to me, I would like to suggest that if someone are starting their journey from scratch, so they have to listen like cartoons, because I started with that, because in that sentences are very easy, and children also can understand. There would be they will not introduce the fancy words, so they have to who are started with the scratch, they have to listen that cartoons and read like second standard, third standard students book they have to read, or in Google you will get short stories, so they have to read that, and slowly they have to start speaking with co-learners, because speaking is very important. Speaking, and they have to write like how they spend their day, entire day, so they have to describe that. So that is how beginner can start if they want to good in this language. Not only in this language, any language, a person want to be good, he want to learn that language, so these are the four foundation pillar. So speaking, reading, listening, and writing, so they have to start from day one.
Yes, you are right, and you are absolutely right. Actually, firstly, I started by listening, and I listen a lot. And
Yeah.
yeah, now I understand very well by listening. And I started learning this language 2 months ago. Now I can able to speak a little bit. And speaking helps a lot to learn this language. And also I started writing, and writing can help me to improve my writing skill, and I can write anything.
Yeah, so that is
Okay.
very, and consistency is very important to learn the language. Like four aspects you have to do daily. Consistency is very matter. Consistency is more important than perfection.
Yeah. Fastly we need to consistency. Without
Yeah.
consistency is not possible to learn this language. Learn anything isn't
Language,
possible.
only this language, any language.
Yes, you
You
are
have
right.
to teach new words.
Okay. So do you learn any vocabulary for your improving this language?
No, particularly, I don't like learn vocabulary. Like naturally, if I come across with new word, I don't know that meaning of that word, so I Google it, and I jot down that.
Okay, so now we can move another topic. As you said, you're from Hyderabad. What's your native language? Hindi or any language?
In Hyderabad, the Telugu and Hindi spoken. Lots of people they spoke like Hindi and Telugu is one of
Okay,
the language in Hyderabad. Yeah, and
okay.
which language spoken in your state?
Can can you speak Telugu?
Yeah, I know Telugu.
Okay, can you tell me something about Telugu language?
మీ పేరు ఏంటి?
How
Means what is your name? మీ పేరు మీ పేరు
మీ పేరు
ఏంటి?
మీ పేరు ఏంటి? That means what's your name?
Your name. మీరు అన్నం తిన్నారా? Means did you had your lunch? Did you had your meal or that like that? And from
Okay.
this is what it means.
How do you how do you say how are you?
ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు?
Hello, no, Miro.
Yes.
It's difficult for me, and Hindi is
So
very easy.
in which your state which language is spoken? Spoken language of your
I'm
state?
I'm from Bangladesh. My native language is Bangla. Do you know Bangla? Do you understand Bangla?
No, no. I let's see how to tell that. What is your name in your language?
Okay, what is your name? That means Tumar naam ki.
Yeah, it's like similar like Hindi. It's like
Yes,
understand
correct.
what are you said. Like what did you had your in your lunch? How to say that?
তুমি তোমার দুপুরে কি খেয়েছো?
So it's quite difficult. Yes.
Yes.
Some words.
Actually,
Some words.
simple language is very easy to understand.
Yes.